زور زور
قربان ادبم halxa ve meyvan edbim halxa ve kurban edbim
hey ay 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 ay
nişgâle gânedim nişgâle gânedim reydele beytum Allah
denebe
şimdi tala kimin ağlan edbim ya beni nevmal edbim reydi ve khan edbim kırtisan ve kurban edbim
yes hey Bugatti song ay 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 hey yo guys, it's your boy J Monkey, and today, you know what I'm saying, we're going to be checking out, you know what I'm saying, some Kurdish music, you know what I'm saying. Sayran Osman or Uzman Asmadi. Yeah. Ay 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 san san şablebe san san şablebe Kurdim Shafu. So I really like how she like hums or sound like she's humming the very last couple letters of the words. Like she says son 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 and then like she kind of like sound like she's cutting words off, but she's not cutting words off. It's just I just love the delivery. Amazing, you know what I'm saying? Zor zor swap pies. Zor zor hey bile oh, Moroccan tempo right there. Okay, very interesting. We got like a Moroccan tempo. I actually react to this Moroccan song that has the same type of rhythm. When this rhythm switched up, I like it. You know what I'm saying? It shows the similarities between, you know what I'm saying, the countries in the Middle East. You know what I'm saying? And if I'm not mistaken, Afghani and Pakistani music has this type of rhythm too to it. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what that instrument is, but it's a very unique rhythm, some type of percussion instrument. Tumala. Hey, Zaza. Yo. Shabe Libe, something like that. But anyway, I like it. BZ, Kurdistan, yeah. Whole lot of sauce. But now I really love, that's my favorite part of the song. Like I really love that. I love that part right there. Kurban edbim. Hey, kurban edbim. This is crazy because the way she does that part right there reminds me of Uzbek music. Very similar, especially Miss Hardcore Abdullah Eva. You might have heard me mention her before. You know what I'm saying? Like the beat stops, and then she continued to not like sing, but she actually make like she say like a gesture or something. I guess that's the best way to put it. So it'd be like the beat playing and then it stops and like Rose Bob's family, like, and then you know what I'm saying, like that. Yeah, it's the shimmy for me. Hey, hey, it's a vibe. I like this. This is the Kurdish club. Okay, let's go. Yeah. BZ. Wait, I didn't know she had a choice. What the hell? I must was so into the music that I didn't see. I seen the first guy, and he looked like he's from Dagestan or something. Like he's Dagestani or something. He don't look like he's Kurdish. Not to me. In my personal opinion, he look like he's from the Caucasus region. You know what I'm saying? Maybe Georgia or something. But the guy with the bald head. But I didn't know when did. Oh.